So next up, guys, got a good day cab truck here. I'm here with Garrett. He'll fire it up. We'll get you a nice demo. But as I walk around it, this is a 2014 MACK CXU613. Starts right up, guys. It's rust-free, very clean frame. Rubber's good, size 11R 22.5. Kind of zoom on this frame as I go around it, but it's just completely rust-free. Really, really nice. Air sliding fifth wheel, aluminum rims, obviously. Just set up cool too. It's got a wet kit. It's got M-drive automatic transmission. It's got a Mack MP8 445 horsepower diesel motor. It runs good. It's clean. Like I say, pretty low hours yet. Pretty low miles yet. Good running truck. Good looking truck. Got the wet kit in the automatic. Got a really nice green hauler. Got whatever a guy wants it to be. Garrett's gonna let it air up. Then we'll start to get you a video of it driving. Good mud flaps. You got to see how shiny this chrome is on it. Got to see your reflection and all that. So yeah, Garrett will go ahead. He'll get it in drive. Or he'll go reverse first, I guess. Just gotta take her around the parking lot. I have drove it just a little bit around the yard. As far as shifting and everything. Seems to be real good that way. Here, might just spin around the lot, come back to you. Headlights are on, so they work. It's running lights. I'm not sure if the actual headlight buttons hit or not, but running lights are there. Brakes lock up there, guys. Air ride suspension, air brakes, obviously. That's good running truck. Rust free, nice day cab. Look, guys, auction time at Old 20 auction.